Good morning. I am Lakshmi Patay MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Today I am covering session number 16. The topic is royalty account. Under this topic, preparation of ledger accounts in the books of lessee without minimum rent account. So first we take problem number 1. Priya Mining Company is engaged in working a coal mine. On 1st January 2015, it entered into an agreement with the owner of the land which provided for a royalty of rupees 20 per ton of coal raised, a minimum rent of rupees 1 lakh per annum, the recovery of short workings within a period of first 3 years. So Priya Mining Company is engaged in working. So totally royalty per ton is equal to rupees 20 and minimum rent per year 1 lakh and the recovery of short workings within a period of first 3 years. The output during the first 5 years was year is 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19 and output in tons are given in first year 4000 tons, 4500, 6000, 7600, 10,000. The amount due to landlord in respect of each year were paid at the end of the year. The question is prepare. First one is royalty account and second one is short workings account and third one is landlord account. So these informations we are using to prepare the ledger accounts in the books of lessee without minimum rent account. First, before we prepare ledger accounts in the books of lessee, first we prepare one analysis table. That table contains 8 headings or 8 columns. The first one is year, second one is output in tons and royalty at rupees 20 per ton, minimum rent rupees short workings recovered and short workings irrecoverable and amount paid to landlord. So in the year 2015, the output produced 4000 and royalty is equal to 4000 into 20, 80,000 and minimum rent is 1 lakh. But in this case, royalty is less than the minimum rent. So the difference 1 lakh minus 80,000 is 20,000. The 20,000 is treated as short workings and amount paid to landlord rupees 1 lakh. So in the year 2016, 4,500 produced and royalty 4,500 into 20 rupees 90,000 and 90,000 is also less than minimum rent. So the difference is 1 lakh minus 90,000, 10,000 and payment to LLR 1 lakh. In the year 2017, output is 6,000 and royalty at rupees 20, 1 lakh 20. The difference is in this case royalty is more than minimum rent. the 20,000 difference is treated as surplus. But in the first year and second year, total short workings are 30,000, but we have surplus only 20,000. So, but we are only recovery of short workings 20,000. Remaining 10,000 is irrecoverable and transfer to short workings irrecoverable account, and 1 lakh payment to landlord. In the year 2018, the royalty is 1,52,000, but minimum rent is 1 lakh. In this case, royalty is more than minimum rent. No short workings. Entire amount paid to landlord. In the year 2019, 10,000 output, 2 lakh royalty, 1 lakh minimum rent. In this case also no shortage, but entire 2 lakh is paid to landlord. Next, we prepare ledger accounts in the books of lessee. What is the first account? Royalty account. So royalty account, there are 6 columns. One is date, another one is particulars and amount. Debit side 3 columns and credit side 3 columns. Date, particulars, amount. So based on the royalty analysis table, we prepare royalty account. In the beginning, first year 2015, at the end of the month, 80,000 paid to landlord account, 80,000, and that royalty is credited to P&L account 80,000. Next, December 31, 2016, to landlord account 90,000. That royalty is transferred to P&L account 90,000. And December 2017, to short workings account 20,000, to landlord account 1 lakh, by profit and loss account 1,20,000. And next 2018, to landlord account 1,52,000, by profit and loss account 1,52,000. And finally 2019, to landlord account 2 lakh, by profit and loss account 2 lakh. So this type we are preparing the royalty account. Without minimum rent account. Next, we prepare short workings account. In debit side also 3 headings. Date, particulars, rupees. Credit side also 3 column. Date, particulars, rupees. So short workings account to landlord account in the year 2015 20,000. By balance carry down 20,000. That balance to be brought down in the year 2016 as a opening balance. So opening balance is 20,000. Again in the short workings of year 2016 is 10,000. So we are debiting in the name of landlord account 10,000. Total short workings in the year 2016 30,000. By balance carry down is a balancing figure 30,000. That 30,000 to be brought down to 2017 January 1. To balance brought down 30,000. The debit side total is 30,000. Among the 30,000 we recovery 20,000 in the name of royalty, and remaining 10,000 is not recovered. That amount is transferred to P&L account. Next, we prepare landlord account in the books of lessee. In the first year 2015 we pay 1 lakh, and in the 2015 credit side we pay 1 lakh 80,000 in the form of royalty, and 20,000 is the short workings. Total 1 lakh. So next, in the year 2016 again we pay landlord to 1 lakh. So that amount is debited to bank account, debited to landlord account in the name of bank account, and credit side by royalty 90,000 and short workings 10,000. In the year 2017 to bank account 1 lakh, by royalty 1 lakh. There is no short workings. In the year 2018 to bank account 1,52,000 and credit side by royalty account 1,52,000. And lastly, last year 2019 we paid 2 lakh to landlord. So that amount is debited to bank account. Next, by credit royalty account 2 lakh. So this method we are using in the form of ledger. So these three accounts to be opened. What are the accounts to be opened? What are the ledger accounts to be opened in the books of lessee without minimum rent? So one is landlord account, another one is royalty account, another one is short workings account. So next, I am taking second problem. Naveen owned certain patent rights. He granted license to Abhi to use such patent rights on royalty basis. The following are the relevant particulars. year 2017, 18, 19. Minimum rent 37,500, 50,000, 62,500 per annum. Output finally royalty earned 25,000, 40,000 and 45,000. The deficiency of any year is to be set off against excess payable within next 2 years. The question is, prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of lessee. So in this problem, output is not given directly, royalty earned is given, minimum rent is not fixed, variation. The short workings of any year is to be set off against within next 2 years. The question is, prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of lessee. So first we prepare analysis of royalty table. So year column, royalty earned, minimum rent, short workings recouped, short workings irrecoverable, and amount paid to landlord. So in this problem, 2017 royalty paid is 25,000 and minimum rent is 37,500, but royalty is less than minimum rent. The difference is 12,500 is the shortage. And payment to landlord 37,500. In 2018, royalty earned 40,000, minimum rent 50,000, and in this case also royalty is less than minimum rent. The shortage is 10,000. Amount paid to landlord 50,000. In the year 2019, 45,000 is the royalty and 62,500 is the minimum rent. Even in this case also, the shortage 17,500. So what is the time for recovery of short workings within next 2 years? One short workings occurred after 2 years is the time. After occurring of short workings, if any short workings occurring in the year after 2 years, next 2 years is the time limit. In this problem, 12,500 onwards, 18, 19, the time is over for 12,500 is recovery. In this problem, no profit or no surplus is arising, so that's reason 12,500 short workings are treated as irrecoverable and debited to profit and loss account. And finally 62,500 we are paying. Next heading, ledger accounts in the books of Abhi. Abhi is a lessee. What are the different ledger accounts to be opened? There are 3
ledger accounts to be prepared in the books of a B or lessee. One is royalty account, another one is short workings account, so another one is landlord account. So first I prepare royalty account in 2017 December 31st to Naveen's account or landlord account 25,000, by profit and loss account 25,000. In 18 to Naveen's account 40,000, by profit and loss account 40,000. In 2019 to Naveen's account 45,000, by profit and loss account 45,000. Next, short workings account in 2017 to Naveen's or landlord account 12,500. The total debit side is 12,500 and credit balancing figure is called a balance carry down 12,500. And this balance transferred to next beginning of the month, that is January 1 to balance brought down 12,500. December 31st to Naveen's account 10,000. So total debit side 22,500. And credit side the balancing figure is 22,500 is treated as balance carry down. And that balance brought down to January 1, 2019. To balance brought down 22,500 to Naveen's account 17,500. The total debit side is 40,000. And the difference by profit and loss account, that is irrecoverably 12,500, and by balance carry down 27,500, and this 27,500 is brought down to next year beginning month. And next we prepare Naveen's account or landlord's account in the year 2017 to bank account 37,500, and 2017 31st by royalty account 25,000, by short workings 12,500, total 37,500. There 2018 December 31st to bank account 50,000, by royalty 40,000, by short workings account 10,000, total 50,000. In the year 2019 to bank account 62,500, under which by royalty 45,000 and by short working 17,500. The total is 62,500. And try yourself. ABC Company Limited took a lease of a mine on a royalty of rupee 1 per ton of coal raised. The dead rent being rupees 20,000 per month. Right to recoup short workings within a period of 3 years. The output for the first 5 years are as follows. 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 5,000, 15,000, 20,000. The output for only 4 years, not 5 years, just a mistake. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of the lessee. So these are the references I am using. So thank you very much.